Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get free PayPal money gift cards, and this method works on all platforms. So as you can see, I did this method myself, and it worked. I was able to get free PayPal gift cards without spending a single dime. If you guys follow all my steps in this video, you'll be able to get these rewards too. So let's get right into it. To get the codes, all you guys need to do is go on your mobile device, because I'm going to show you a website that gives out free PayPal gift cards instantly. I recommend doing it on mobile because it's easier to access the codes, but you can use a PC if you prefer. Go to this site called rizdeal.com. On this site, you can find codes and coupons to get free rewards, discounts on games, in-game items, and much more. And yes, it really works. Now once you're on the site, use the search bar to type in PayPal gift card. This will show the game-related rewards. Tap on it, and it will take you to a page where you can click the Show Coupon button. It's going to display part of the code, but to unlock the rest, click the Unlock Code button. Once you click that, just wait for it to load completely. Now, after it loads 100%, you'll be taken to another page. Before the full code reveals itself, there's one final step. You need to complete 3 free offers from the page. After you complete these 3 offers, the full code will reveal, and you can redeem it. It's essential to complete this last step correctly, or it won't work. Some of the offers are straightforward, like downloading an app and using it for 30 seconds. Just tap the app, follow the instructions, and complete the tasks precisely as stated. Some offers might require different actions, so make sure to read them carefully. Also, the offers you see could vary based on your location, which is entirely normal. I'll complete 3 offers right now and be back to show you proof that I got my reward code. Okay guys, once you finish the 3 tasks, the site will redirect you, showing a pop-up confirming that the 3 offers were successfully completed and revealing the full code. As you can see, it works, and it's fantastic. So go ahead and try it out. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more. Goodbye.